There are more than 11,000 species of birds in the world. South and Central America are home to the greatest number of bird species in the world, with more than 3,557 recorded types. However, the risk of extinction for some birds has increased over the years.
This is one of the driving forces behind the Guardians of the Birds experience, a project that connects students and professionals from different parts of the world. The adventure began in 2008 when a Colombian English teacher found a way for children to learn English while exploring their environment and learning to care for it. Bird conservation was the central focus of the project. The teacher's name is Nuri Penagos. She was part of the Partners of the Americas, an IARN group, whose motto is Connect, Serve, and Change Lives. And she succeeded in making her work transcend physical and linguistic boundaries. Thanks to this project, the goal of raising awareness and protecting birds reached countries like Costa Rica. Nuri met Ana Maria in Brasilia at an international IARN conference. Ana Maria is also a teacher and implemented the project with her students. The project even reached Argentina, where a graduate named Natalia Lopez implemented it with the aim of encouraging students to build relationships with other students outside of the classroom. The role involved monitoring various schools and promoting the project. If you're a teacher and want to carry out a project like this in partnership with IARN and Partners of the Americas, Natalia Lopez offers the following recommendations. The topic covered should be based on a real-life situation occurring in the community and meant to raise awareness among students. There must be a real audience so that students develop an understanding of others. For more information, visit the website www.iarnlatina.org.